SBI, State Bank of India, recruitment of probationary officers. The online registration starts from 5th of October 2021 and ends at 25th of October 2021. And the preliminary examination for this SBI PO prelims examination will be held in the month of either November or December, and mains examination will be held, that is a phase 2 examination will be held in the month of December, and interview will be on 2nd or 3rd week of February 2022. So final result will be on February or March 2022. So these are the tentative dates which were given by in the official website of the notification. So the number of vacancies are pretty good this time. The total of 2056 vacancies, and for SC category 324 vacancies, for ST 162, for OBC 560 vacancies, for EWS 200 vacancies, for general 810 vacancies. So put together 2056 vacancies. And the eligibility criteria, the age criteria and academic qualifications we'll see. So essential academic qualification is graduate in any discipline and or any equivalent qualification recognized by the Government of India, and those who are in final year or final semester of the graduation may also apply, and provisionally subject to the condition that if they are called for interview, they have to produce a proof that they have passed the graduation degree on or before 31/12/2021. So this is the criteria. So final year can also apply, but the criteria is they need to produce the certificate of degree before 31/12/2021. So this is regarding the eligibility criteria. Any graduate can apply, and the age criteria is not above 30 years, and 21 years is the minimum age in order to apply for this post. That is, they should not born earlier than 2/4/1991. And there is also some relaxation for different categories: 5 years for SC and ST categories, and 3 years for OBC categories, and PWD in different OBC 13 years, PWD general 10 years, PWD SC ST 15 years. Ex-servicemen they can have a relaxation of 5 years in order to apply for this post. So you need to go to the official website of SBI site in order to apply for this post. The essential qualification is any degree, and the structure of examination will be prelims, mains followed by interview. And the structure of examination for prelims examination is 1 hour 100 marks, comprising of English 30 questions, and the duration is 20 minutes, and quantitative aptitude 35 questions, duration is 20 minutes, reasoning 35 questions, duration 20 minutes. So put together 100 questions 1 hour, that is 60 minutes 100 questions. And after you qualify the preliminary examination, there will be a mains examination which will be conducted objective, and you need to have you need to type that letter writing and essay. The duration of the descriptive test is 30 minutes followed by the objective test. The objective test consists of 200 marks, and the 200 marks are reasoning and computer aptitude, that is 45 questions of reasoning and computer aptitude. 60 marks is the maximum marks, and duration is 1 hour. And data analysis and interpretation 35 questions, maximum marks are 60 marks, and duration is 45 minutes. So economy, general awareness, banking awareness, economy 40 questions, 40 marks, and the duration is 35 minutes. And for English language there are 35 questions and 40 marks, the duration is 40 minutes, total 3 hours examination. Number of questions are 155 in the mains, and maximum marks are 200 marks. After the objective test, that will be followed by descriptive test, that is for the duration of 30 minutes, and it will take it will be a test of English language, that is letter writing and essay, with 2 questions of a total of 3 marks. And After you get selected in phase 2, there will be interview, that is personal interview, that is phase 3. This is regarding the examination, and remember there is a negative mark in both prelims and mains examination, that is 1/4 mark will be deducted for every wrong answer for each question. So these are the examination criteria, and the pay scale, what are the emoluments you get after you get selected. Presently this is the basic pay 49,960 with the 4 advance increments in the scale, and this is the pay scale, and this is regarding the pay scale you get when you join. And application fees and intimation charges are 750 rupees for general category, EWS and OBC candidates, and no fees for SC/ST candidates. So this is regarding the examination criteria and fees criteria, and the last date to apply for this is 25th of October 2021. And if you have any doubts, please do comment. So these are the tentative dates. October 5th is the start date, and 25th of October 2021 is the last date to apply for the post. And the prelims examination will be held in the month of November or December, and mains examination in the December, and online interview or group discussion will be followed in the month of February, and final result will be in the March 2022. So thank you, have a